story. You would have more accept and appreciate them glory. Real. We smile, we ball, we rise.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So yes, people, today I will be doing a clothing haul. Yes, guys, a clothing haul. My sister VS Kitchen and Lifestyle, she been telling me like months ago, Colin, why you don't do a clothing haul and stuff like that? Those videos are nice videos and you have a lot of clothes. So but besides, because today holiday, I don't work 7 days a week. A Sunday everybody at home. You understand? I'm more if I can well out and go on myself and mag around the house. Because I'm kind of shy around my family, them, to be honest. You know, sometimes I brave with me there. In my room, I something but in there, my family, them, I'm kind of shy with the camera. So for all who never know. You see me? Yes. So before you guys go down into this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend about life with Curry Good. So I'm ready to get into it. Guys, don't watch my ear. My ear messy right now. And I'm not wearing no makeup because it's not about my face. It's about what I'm wearing. You see me? So let's get into it. This is my first fit. This is like, you could wear it like for a birthday or if you're going to a wedding or a nice dinner. This is something that you could actually wear. I'm actually videoing myself. You see, taking everything. You see, it have a cut right here. I'm not wearing any bra at this moment, guys. And as you can see, the back, how the back is like straight to the side. It's very sexy. It have a grab here. Here is kind of grab. So you know, if you have a belly, you know, you don't have to worry. I got this dress from Fashion Nova. Yes, guys, this dress was from Fashion Nova. So yes, taking the details. You like it? But can't muggle. Fat girl can't muggle. Look at the ass in the dress. So you know when a man saying that this is just a no, you know say you're straight shillings more after that. So you look at the detail and I like this right here. This is like super dope, you know. This is super dope, guys. I really like it. Look at that. Ooh, girl got some ass right there. So yes, guys, this is my first piece that I'm showing you guys. Get into it, guys. So as I said, if you're going to a birthday, like your birthday dinner or a wedding, this is something nice to wear. This is something very nice and sexy. You're gonna look elegant but at the same time looking sexy. So yes, you're looking elegant and sexy at the same time is a plus. You know? Yes. Get into that. Ooh. You see that, guys? So is a dress from Guess. As you can see, yes, guys. You could wear this to the church. You could wear it to check in the details, guys. You see the details of the neck. It's Guess. It's a Guess dress. I haven't wear this yet. This is actually new. You could wear this to the church, or if you're going to a funeral or a seminar or something, or if you go one of them, you know, them dress down parties, you could actually wear this dress. You know, like one of them grown folks, nice and sexy party, grown and sexy party. This is something that could actually wear to it. You know, it still show all your curves, it grab that butt and everything, guys. You know, and with this dress, you might want to wear a no top bra if you don't have silicone in your breast, because you don't want the brassiere strap. No, when the brassiere strap is show right test though, it's going to take away the style of the dress. And you don't want that. You don't want the brassiere to take away the style of the dress. You see me? So get into the details. You know, I'm actually videoing myself, so it's kind of awkward for me, guys. So I'm hoping to get everything very good. Let me come down low, like y'all could see what's going on. It's very cute and it's very sexy. It actually hugs my body, and the material is good quality. Yes, the material are good quality, real good quality. So see there, just a straight standing. Yes, 360. Yes guys, so let's get into dress number 3. Ready? Yes guys, this is my next dress. Look at these details around this dress, guys. Look at the details. And this dress is from Donna Ricco. Yes guys, this dress is made, it's a designer dress. It's from Donna Ricco, guys. As I said, this is up to you. It's like a multi-purpose dress. You could wear it for whatever occasion you want it to wear for, you know, whichever occasion. It's up to you, you know. You know, you're not gonna just wear this on a regular bar and then something there. No, people. That would be like a nice dress down party where you drop on your booty or your nice heels, you know, with it. You know, you're not gonna wear this going on like a regular pub. Kind to them. But I just want y'all to check in these details. It's like flowers made around it. Very nice. You know, very nice. Yes, guys, this is a nice dress. Yeah, and it still show a little of the bum too. It's very thick too. The quality is very nice. It's from Donna Ricco. You know, it's a designer dress. Very simple but nice, and it's firm. And the material hugs your body. It actually is smooth too. You know. I want you to take in all the details of this dress. You know. Take it in. If you reach this far and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? You know? So take it in, guys. Let me give you a 360 in my dress. So yes, this is it. So yes, people, this is dress number 3. So yes, guys. So guys, this is something very sexy, like, you know, club settings. You know, everything is actually out. The back is out. You know, guys, the reason I'm doing this, because I don't want to look too naked, but as you could see, some people with good breasts. So if you don't have a good breast, you have to get something to tape it up or bring it up so that they look nice in it. So at this moment, I want anything underneath it, you know. But the boobs are not going with a little thing. You see them kind of drop, but they're not going with a little thing, people. So yes, guys, get into the details. It's like a leather with a little lace. And then I don't know what them call this material. There's a nice material here to the back. I bought this dress on Fashion Nova also. So this dress is from Fashion Nova. Very sexy, very nice. I have a split to the back, guys. See that? It have a nice little slit. So you know, the moment your man see in this, a trouble. You know, the moment him see in this, him just want to tear it off. Yes, guys, but get into it. Alright, so let's get to the next dress. Dress. You know, very cute. Have the lace to the side. You know, lace properly still, people. You know, it's grab up. That's the reason I see it like this. It's a grab dress. It's kind of grab up. You can see it to the back, the elastic. I think it's actually twist now. Yeah. It's a elastic in it, so it kind of have a little grip up to it. You know, that kind of add a little big gut right there. So see it there, guys. It's very nice and simple. You know, very simple. Simple and nice. I got this dress from Chic. Now watch the big belly. I got this dress from Chic. This dress was bought on Chic. It's very simple. I haven't worn this yet. You know? Yeah. See, they're very simple and nice. You know, very fat. So if you have a nicer shape than me, you know, so they just have to sit down by you. Real good. So yeah, let's get into it. You know, let's get into it. And guys recommended a white bra. White bra. I recommend a white bra, not a black bra, because right now so don't show the brassiere. You see me? So this is the next dress. So let's get into the next one. Y'all ready?
So guys,
If you know your man jealous, do not buy this dress. It's so short. You understand, guys? It's very short. You crack it right underneath the butt. Yes, people, see that? You can't hardly bend. You see, if I ever bend, I'm trouble. You see me? It's very sexy though. Very nice. I'm buying this from. I think I bought this on Amazon. I think I bought this from Amazon. If I'm not sure. I think this was bought from Amazon. Yeah, Amazon. Yes, guys. So this dress was from Amazon. You know, it's very short. You can see, but girl like short clothes. You know, and my man loves me look sexy. So, but if I don't have a man, we're gonna say, hey girl, I'm gonna cut that off for you. Do not buy this dress. Don't go on Amazon for gold and white dress with sequins. You understand? And go buy it because your man will cut it off for you. So get it nice, people. I like it. You like it? Ooh. I can't go to save my life. Go down there, when I go down there, go down there. So yes, guys. I actually love this dress. I'm a sequence kind of person. If you know me, you know I like blings and stuff like that. You know. So this is my next dress. Let's get into the next one. I'm going to watch a whole video. You understand? Yeah, I'm gonna give you like 12 feet. So stay right there. Do not move. So guys, this is my next dress. So many days, so many how. So yes, guys, me love the dress because you see the color here. Me love the color, guys. I don't have on any bra with this. So you see with the dress, you don't want to fling on a something over under it to cover the bra. You see me? For the nipple them not poke out like mine. Whereas the have them stiff nipple here, you don't want to wear the eye chest seat. You see me, guys? Get in the detail of this dress. It's very sexy. Show ass that I don't have. So details, get into it. Can you guys see it? I think my phone is crooked. I gotta come here. Yes, guys, and I'm gonna do 360 turn. So you know, this is up to you where you want to wear this dress to. This can wear to many occasions. Many occasions. You understand? Club, dinner. It's up to you. It's up to you. This was also from Chic, guys. I bought this dress on Chic. Yes, guys, this is from Chic. So get into the details. Yeah, she want a gangali. She said she want a big long body. Said she would like to be free. She would like to be free. She want a gangali. She said she want a big long. So guys, you could get this sexy dress from Chic. Let me pull it down. It's actually supposed to pull down here, guys. I just me and my rude self like for short up stuff, you know. So it's very sexy, isn't it? Yep. So this is a shirt dress, guys. Very simple. All I need is a sneakers with this. You can wear the black sneakers, or red sneakers, or black and red sneakers. Just make sure so the color go with the dress. So this is what I call a card pack. Queen, you know me a queen in the deck. You don't know girl of the queen in the deck. So yes, people. This is actually a shirt dress. Very nice. You might want to throw a shorts under this. This is from Chic also. I got this dress from Chic. Very comfortable. The material is everything. Cotton, thick, quality, everything is good. Chic you not get free advertisement. See there? You see it? Long sleeve. See that? See that? Okay. Simple shirt dress. This is a nice simple shirt dress. You're throwing a sneakers night. You go on like a football game. Or you go on the mall, go out with your friends them or something. But it's a nice space. You know, certain vibes. It's a look chill back vibes. And if you got one of them casual party there, you know, like them weekly parties, this is something that you might want to wear. Yeah. So let's get to the next one. This is the next one. Guys, this is a we kind of get fat for this. This is a 2-piece, guys. Girl, you need to lose some weight. Just sit down for more. Wear this before though. You know? I did buy this from Fashion Over. Guys, I'm the one who actually cut this up so it might look fit. I don't see it like this because I'm stay. I like to, when I'm there, I like to get stuff and throw my own little style to it. So yeah, this kind of outgrew me. I wear this one time, you know, but this was bought on Fashion Over last year. It's very nice, you know, it's very nice. I'm not going to pull it up properly because show me my nails. But guys, you don't want to wear this in summer. You gotta wear this in winter time. Cause this year, it's hot right now. The AC turn up in the house. I'm here for a while by just putting this off. So guess what? I'm not gonna stay too long in this. Because hot but tonight, so guys, this is the next fit. This is just something simple. Bodysuit. Kind of lace it through to the stock. Have a cuff right or so. So I don't need no bra for this. The strap one fits, guys. So let's see with me. It's very sexy. My guy, very wine. Stay down there, girl. Stay down there. So you know you can go to and let loose in this one, yeah. You can stretch out. So yes, guys, I want to say a big thanks to you guys for watching my video. Guys, thanks to each and every one of you for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoy my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend about life with curry gooders. So, bye guys. I am out. The problem is not when you fall. The problem is when you fall and fail to rise. Because some of the most successful people in a life have a story. Thank you guys for watching my channel, Life with Curry Gooders. I'm out.